You ever bought something hoping it will finally make your content easier and it actually did? In this video, I'm sharing 12 tools, equipment, software, and small upgrades that you can make that will totally worth the money for me as a creator and a content strategist. Number one is going to be Descript. Descript is my go-to software for editing quickly and seamlessly because of the text-based editing. You can literally look at it just like a Word document and highlight and delete things as you need. It also has a great AI feature that allows you to see and be able to trim the ums in just one or two short clicks. Descript is a powerhouse for any editor. If you are a beginner or a pro, please check it out. I got the link in the description below, but this is a complete game changer. Number two is going to be Ecamm Live. I love Ecamm Live when I am recording things or giving trainings because I am able to conduct it like a show, like a television show, and change from scene to scene to make things look exactly as I need to. So it's very interactive. You can add in videos, you can add in music. You can once again scroll from scene to scene, but it's a great way to also go live on multiple platforms. So Ecamm Live is my go-to for recording screens and giving experiences online. Number three is going to be Zoom. If you do not have Zoom Pro, what are you waiting for? If you are a coach or a business owner, you'll do a lot of things online. Go ahead and get the Zoom Pro. Having the Zoom Pro also allows you to have awesome features like being able to broadcast live and also record your calls. This is great for capturing content that you can repurpose at a later date. So please stop with the 40-minute limit thing and get the Zoom Pro so you can talk for as long as you need to, and make sure you record it so you can repurpose it later. Number four, and one of my favorites, I use this every single day, is going to be Frame.io. This platform helps me with feedback, be it my own editor or the clients that I have. When I submit something to them, there's nothing like receiving a text message or an email saying, hey, can you fix that part in the video where Frame cuts all that out, where they can leave feedback and it will timestamp it for me. This is great for editors. This is a great way for you to get exact feedback at the exact same time. You can also do things like draw on the screen and show me exactly what you are speaking about, along with other things. If you are an editor or you have an editor, Frame.io is going to be your number one solution for being able to streamline your feedback and be able to save you and your team lots of time making sure that you all get on the right page. Number five is going to be QSO.ai, formerly Video.ai, and this is going to be another one of your content repurposing AI tools that you can use. I like this platform. There's plenty of them out there, but this particular platform allows me to also break down long form content. I can also create carousels. I can also speak directly to the AI that they have about the actual video. It helps me with captions and all encompassing things. You can even schedule your content right inside of QSO.ai. So give it a glance over. It's a great tool. Like I said, there's plenty of them, but I like this one in particular. Number six is going to be CapCut. This is my favorite when I'm on the go. If I'm on my phone or even on my iPad, I'm able to easily edit whatever I need to do, put some pretty awesome captions and transitions on the things that I'm editing if I am not on my computer. This is a great platform also for the computer. So go ahead and make sure you get the Pro plan so you can get all of the Pro features, but CapCut is a must-have for any creator out there. Number seven on my list is going to be Canva Pro. If you do not have the Pro version yet, you are missing out on quite a lot. Canva is my go-to platform for all of the type of carousels or thumbnails or graphics that I need to create. I can even create things like reels inside of it. They have an awesome platform where you're able to export things like MP4s, PNGs, PDFs, but it's your one-stop shop for graphics and even videos. Now we're going to switch gears a little bit and head on over to my must-have equipment. Coming in at number 8 is going to be the Hollyland Lark M2. This small and mighty audio system comes with 2 different microphone solutions that you can put on yourself, and even if you have a guest. It can also adapt with things like your phone, your camera, and even your computer with these little adapters that they have as well. So this has great noise cancellation. It is small. It is easy to use, a plug-and-play situation. If you don't have a good microphone system or you're looking to upgrade, definitely look into these because you will not regret it. Now, number 9 is a little bit pricey, but I have not regretted this purchase since I have it, and that is going to be my DJI Pocket 3. I know a lot of people have been looking at this, hearing about this, contemplating on if they're going to get it or not. And every time I'm asked about it, I'm like, absolutely, yes, absolutely. I know we have our phone, we have our cameras, but this small, compact piece of equipment can help, take away some of the attention that other things get. And it also records amazing. It records horizontally, it records vertically. And if you get the Creator Combo Pack, you also get this extra battery adapter and microphone and a few other things inside of the back. So this is a must have, especially if you want to keep things small and compact, but also get great quality. I have not regretted this purchase. Yes, it's a little bit expensive, but if you're looking to upgrade and you don't want a big, bulky, or heavy situation, look into this ASAP. Now that I'll give you something super expensive, let's go back to the more inexpensive but an awesome solution when you're in a pinch. So this right here is a dongle. It is an SD card reader dongle that you can plug right into your phone. If you have an iPhone, USB-C. I believe there's some other ones if you have a different connection. But this right here, if I am on the go, if I am using my camera and I want to access files immediately, but maybe I don't want to bring up my computer, but I want to access the files, or maybe the Bluetooth and everything else is messing up, I can plug this right into my phone and be able to access the file and edit them right from my phone or iPad instead of having to wait to get to my computer. This is a great solution for being able to access files quickly. Another tool I find myself using more often than not, especially when I am at home, is going to be this right here, this adjustable desk. I can adjust it up and down. It also comes on wheels, and I can just wheel it to any area of the house and be able to have a nice setup. It has a good footprint, but do not take for granted being able to kind of just move around and have different scenes. My living room has a little bit more sunlight, so having a portable desk situation in your home is great. I got this one from IKEA, but being able to have the option to be able to stand up or move rooms and have everything that you need right here, I love it. Number 12 is going to be the Elgato Teleprompter, which I'm using right now. This is a great way to either extend your computer screen or use it as an actual teleprompter when you're doing scripts and recording videos just like this one. This is a plug and play situation. I have not regretted this purchase at all. It's a great way to be able to also have things like Zoom calls and look people right in the face while being able to make that connection. Elgato Teleprompter is a great use case. If you have a permanent solution at home or you want to take it on the go, I would absolutely look into getting this particular tool. Now, here's a quick bonus tip. Please do not try to go buy all these things at once. You want to look at your biggest bottleneck or the things that you have a biggest problem with and look at these tools for which one is going to solve or be the solution for that. You will break the budget trying to go grab all these things at once, especially also trying to learn how to use all of them in a way that's going to be meaningful for you. If you also want to learn how to use the content that you already have in a better way, please go ahead, look in the description below and grab my content repurposing toolkit where I can show you how to use everything that you already have to expand your brand and your message. Check out this playlist right here where I give you 30 different content tutorials that you can start using today to repurpose your content.